Give it one of these. Here it is, 1961 Bultaco Lobito. You're going to hear what it sounds like running, because nobody wants to see the finishing, the culmination of all the hard work that I did on the 1969 Z50A and that whole series that you can take a look at on these videos. But we're going to get this started up for you, because it's a very unique sound. This little 80cc engine, which is very similar to the ones they had in the Alpina and they had in the Matador and the Sherpa of the time, the trials bike. This was made for Spanish women, I'm told, and it is a little Spanish bike that was very interesting. The gear shifts on the right side, which takes a while to get used to, and the kick starts on the left. Big compression, it kicks back pretty hard, and we'll see if we can't get it started for you. All right, so obviously this is another day. The old girl wasn't feeling it. She did not want to start. Took a while. Turned out it wasn't, a couple things. Wasn't getting any gas. This was all gummed up, so I had to clean that. Clean the whole tank out, did all this stuff. And then I thought it was tried again, I thought it was the timing, because sometimes the magneto slips because I got a bad little Woodruff key. Sometimes it breaks the Woodruff key, and I don't know. So I went through all that, did all that, and then decided to check the spark again, and what I thought was sparking was not sparking because it was fouled. So I just started it. I'm going to start it again, I hope, but that's not the way this girl likes to run. But hopefully we can start it. You can see what it sounds like, and maybe take a little ride. Okay. So that's kind of the Bultaco style. It just gives a little bump. It's a very high compression motorcycle, but hopefully, let's see. Let me see how far we can take this without it. Well, I guess that's the answer to that. Let's start it up again, and but I want you to see kind of the thing. Let's see what she'll do when I just give her one of these. For a little ride while it's still on. Let's see if I can get to it. So cool thing is clutch is on the other side. Watch out. I left the gas petcock off. And again, what I'm doing here is just waiting till I see the bowl fill up, and then the gas will start spilling out the bottom. That's how you know there's enough gas in it. Ain't got no gas in it. Oh, it did not like that. I don't know what that was, but it might have been that it's fouled again. I don't ride it that much. I guess you can tell why. But fun little bike when it works.